So it's a big win for Kucoin users, guys. Kucoin just raised about $150 million, making it a valuation of about $10 billion in order to pioneer their exploration in Web 3.0. Now, this was made possible by companies such as the Jump Crypto, we have Seco, we have Matrix Partners, IDG Capital. So this is a great win for Kucoin users. Now, Kucoin, which is a leading, a global leading crypto exchange, announced this pre-Series B funding round, bringing its valuation to about $10 billion. Now, the round was led by Jump Crypto, which saw participation of multiple investment funds. Now, this new inflows of capital will allow Kucoin to go beyond centralized trading services and expand its presence in Web 3.0, including crypto wallets, GameFi, DeFi, NFT platforms through investment arms like Kucoin Labs and Kucoin Ventures, as well as KCC, the public chain built by Kucoin's community members. Will also be a significant infrastructure where resources will be deployed to create a decentralized ecosystem. Now, some key notes where you need to note here is that Kucoin also plans to leverage the pre-Series B round to build the next generation of Kucoin core trading system, resulting in a 10x performance improvement, as well as a support for Kucoin's global regulation effort to better serve about 18 million users in over 200 countries. Now, also they want to also enhance the security and risk management of systems to make the platform even more secure and accessible. Now, Johnny Liu, which is the CEO of Kucoin, stated that the vote of confidence from prominent investors such as Jump Crypto and Seco Ventures, which have been seeing how the progress of the platform since creation or since launch, solidifies the vision that one day everyone will be into cryptocurrency. Now, Kucoin is built for all classes of investors, so whether you're a new user or you are a pro user, or it's just for the core purpose of financial inclusion, to give you an opportunity to be your own bank. Now, Tak Fujishima, head of Asia Jump Crypto, said Kucoin provides a comprehensive platform of crypto services to a global audience, which is one of the many reasons we are proud to lead this round. Now, this is a good take on this particular announcement. Now, according to CMC, you want to know that Kucoin is currently the number 5 ranked exchanges in the world. Now, I'm going to take you directly to Kucoin. You can see on CoinMarketCap, Kucoin is currently ranked about number 5 in the crypto space, number 5 exchanges in the world. Now, you want to check the number of exchanges that we have in the world as of recording, so that you know how significant this value is. Now, looking at CMC, you want to see that there are about 312 exchanges as of recording, and Kucoin happens to be the number 5, which is a really good figure. Now, another cool feature about Kucoin is that they currently hold or have lots of markets. You can see the volume being traded, trust score, average liquidity is very high, and as well as the coins being listed on the platform is one of the highest too among its competitors there. Now, also, those are some of the perks about Kucoin in particular. Now, you want to know that Kucoin was launched in September 2017 as a global cryptocurrency exchange for over 700 digital assets. It currently provides sports trading, margin trading, features, staking, lending to lots of users. So it's a it allows multilingual opportunities for users. So according to CMC, Kucoin is currently top 5, and Kucoin is one of the best crypto exchanges in 2021. So you want to check out on Forbes, where Kucoin won this award for best crypto exchanges. Then they also have an interface. Their app also won one of the best interface for app exchanges in the crypto space. Now, in 2022, they also named Kucoin the best crypto exchanges and apps for enthusiasts. Now, these are some of the cool features. Now, as a new user or as a user who have been using Kucoin, you want to take note of some of the features or some of the uses or some of the features you've been able to access on the platform. Now, Kucoin just launched the NFT platform by making partnership with Wonderland with Vein, where you can buy, sell, swap NFTs instantly. Then Wonderland also NFT launch platform, where you can get access to the NFT platform. Now this is the WinBay interface. You can access it with your desktop, where you can see lots of projects and NFTs. To give user an overview of this is just the start phase, where users can benefit from this. So it's still at the earlier stage. Now this is also the Kucoin sports menu, where you can get access to lots of benefits too. So these are some of the projects that Kucoin is currently working towards. Now in the long term, we're currently looking forward to seeing more benefits. There are still some features that we're currently not seeing yet on the trading platform that could be available on other platforms, and Kucoin is currently looking forward to getting these in place. Now the fund will be used to support their DeFi movement, as well as NFT platforms, GameFi, and crypto wallet, as well as the Kucoin labs, which will help the platform become top notch in the crypto space. Now this is a letter from Kucoin CEO. After reaching a valuation of $10 billion, what's next? Now I'm going to read it out for you, and I'm also going to drop the link in the description box below for you to see. Now it says here we've served over 18 million users in 200 countries and more. Now as they also ranked as the #1 altcoin exchange. We support about 700 assets and 1,200 trading pairs. Now, as a key promoter of the cryptocurrency exchange, Kucoin believes the technological progress will revolutionize the way we create and distribute value. So, moreover, one day we're convinced that everyone will get involved with crypto. That's why we're pleased to contribute to this process. Now, also specifically, say Kucoin will be focusing on areas such as to enhance users experience. So if you take notes, Kucoin is currently pushing through their Q wallet, which is available now for users to test, run, then also to foster in-class or one of the world-class best security to prevent issues where users could lose their funds on the platform. Now, in addition to outlook on business expansion, talent is always key in development of the Kucoin ecosystem. So they are also putting together one of the best teams to help make this plan or this dream come true. Now, throughout the recent years, Kucoin has also built up expertise in areas such as crypto wallet development, NFTs, GameFi, and all its decentralized ecosystem. Now, as a native token, Kucoin and the primary force behind KCC, the value of KCS can reflect how the centralized and decentralized ecosystem can work collaboratively to capture value as KCS users continue to benefit from our growth. As Kucoin moves on to its new chapter, KCS follows suit, and this is some of the benefits you want to keep in mind. These are some of the benefits you want to keep in mind. Now I'm going to take you guys directly to KCS. You want to look into KCS token to see how far it has been doing. Now if you are to take a look at, okay, these are some of the news you want to check out on Kucoin to see some of the latest news update from CoinMarketCap. Now it says here Bybit Kucoin gets hit with enforcement laws actions by Canada's but these are some of the regulatory push which Kucoin will be using the fund to take care of, as well as a Kucoin price analysis. You want to check discounted price now at $18. This article was done about 8 days ago as of recording. So these are just news updates to keep you in the know about what is currently happening in Kucoin. Now the good thing here is that you can see how KCS has been doing well since even in this bear market. Now I'm going to show you guys the all-time from the beginning where it started. Now you want to take note that it was at about $0.96 as of 2017, and it's moved forward to about $20 and more, went more. So you can see how the price has been moving forward. So it did ATH all-time high of about, I think it's about $30 or so, $28. You can see it's currently at $10. So you want to keep an eye on this project. Now these are some of the benefits you get from KCS, from Kucoin in particular. It shows you that investors currently look into the feasibility or the potential of this platform. Now in the long term, we hope to see lots of perks, guys, lots of more partnership, more ambassador programs are currently being done. We also hope to see more awareness in several countries. The P2P section is currently looking well. We hope to see some little bit of work on the interface to allow users to be able to place ads, and also to give users the opportunity to use the filter button. Now on the P2P menu, you want to see there are still some a little bit of work that needs to be done, so you can easily search up for or you can easily filter out lots of merchant orders and more. Now most times the cheaper orders are usually at the beginning, so you want to be aware of that. Cheaper orders are usually at the beginning, but right now it's a little bit jam packed, so I believe they will be working on that part of it. Also, there are also lots of other perks you want to look into. We should be seeing a Kucoin stablecoin. Maybe in the future we might be seeing a Kucoin stablecoin, maybe KUSD or KUSD, just to then also we should be seeing lots of other perks, such as a more improvement on the NFT platform, as well as maybe a charity where you can also make crypto donations, and lots of other perks, guys. Lots of other perks. So there should be a lot of potentials in this project with Kucoin in particular. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, guys. So subscribe, create an account on Kucoin. I will leave in the link in the description box below. You want to look at KC and how far they've been doing so well. Now, the industry organization, when they first did their first seed fundraising, they did it. It was about $20 million, and you can see what they used it for. They used it in financing their Kucoin futures platform, Kucoin N, Kucoin pool, press releases. You can see the up-to-date information, Kucoin labs, and how they were able to use about $20 million in pushing through with this. Now they've gotten even more than that since 2017. Now 2018, they've gotten up to about $150 million, which is totaling about $170 million in total from the year 2018 to now till date, guys. So these are some of the benefits. You can see that the team is currently pushing through, or currently working hard to take this platform to the next step. So currently we'll be seeing some more features on Kucoin, guys, and hopefully KCS could get to about KCS could get to about just like the price of some of the top crypto exchanges or their tokens. So you want to check out the prices they are currently in at. KCS could get as much as $500 with years to come, due to these particular push and these seed funding and these benefits. So you want to keep an eye on that, guys. You want to keep an eye on that. So guys, peace out, one love. I'll be dropping all the links in the description box. I hope you understand what these seed fundraising is and how beneficial it is to the growth of this platform. So we've talked about the introduction, we talked about these release. We also talked about the security benefits that you will be getting, as well as support for global regulation which will be made. And these are some of the perks, guys. Series B funding, pre-series, and more, guys. Peace out, guys. Your boy Keys. Subscribe, one love, and also don't forget to follow them on all social media handles. So this is KC here. You can follow them on social media, on Twitter, so you can also benefit from lots of perks that the platform has to offer. One love, guys. It's your boy Keys.